Let's try example 2. So first step, pick a variable that we want to eliminate. This one, there is a variable that's going to be easier than the others because you'll notice my middle equation is already missing a y. So I can already use this middle equation in my 2 by 2. So that means let's try eliminating the y's for this one. So then when I need to take a pair of equations, this time I'm going to pick the first and the last because those are the only two left that have a y. And I'm going to eliminate the y's from this. So let's times this one by 3 to get the y's to stack up. So I got 6x plus 9y minus 3, z equals 3. Bottom one I didn't change. So my y's stack up just like I was hoping, and I get 10x minus z equals 8. So I don't even need to do step 3 here by eliminating the y from another pair of equations because I already have a 2 by 2. So step 4, let's write out the 2 by 2 that we've got. I have the equation that I just solved for, and I have the 2 by 2 that I started with. So that made our jobs a lot easier by noticing that one variable is already eliminated, so then we didn't have to do as many steps to solve this problem. So step 5, I now need to solve the 2 by 2 that I've got. I notice, let's write this out. I'm just going to times the bottom one by a negative. So I get 10x minus z equals 8. Negative 10x plus z equals negative 2. And now they stack up. My x's go away, my z's go away. I get 0 equals 6. Oh, dang it. We learned from 6.1 that this is a false statement. Because this is a false statement, because 0 does not equal 6, we can immediately say this is a no solution. Because that is a false statement. As soon as you arrive at a false statement, that is a no solution. Meaning there is no point that these 3 planes have in common. There's a good visualization of this right here. You can see right here I have 3 different planes. 2 of the planes have points that they share, but there's no point that all 3 planes share. Same thing here. I have 2 of the planes that are parallel, one that crosses them, but there's no point that all 3 planes have in common, that all 3 planes share. And then same thing in this one. They're all parallel to each other, so there's no point that they all share or they all have in common. So those are just a couple different visual examples of different potential solutions we could get from a no solution. So that is it for example 2 and no solution. In the next video, we're going to look at example 3.